Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with a new box to my channel, and that is Snack Pack. Now, let me read their blurb. It's a monthly subscription that includes 12 plus surprise snacks every month. It's always centered around seasonal themes and flavors. You get top quality snaction from names you need to know about. It's a great gift idea, ships quickly. There's 4 unique snacking plans, and that is classic, vegan, gluten-free, and vegan plus gluten-free. So a lot of options for the person that wants to snack but wants to keep it healthy, which is kind of what I'm trying to do. I mean, I did lose all of that weight, but I miss snacking. I did find this subscription box on Cratejoy, and Cratejoy is a site that has hundreds of different subscription boxes to choose from. They take care of all of the details for you. If you want to send it as a gift, they have an option right on their screen. It makes gift giving so easy because they take care of everything for you. So this box is $27.95 a month. If you pay for more months up front, then that gets a little bit cheaper for you. And I am excited to see what's inside. So let's go ahead and open it. Oh, I have to cut it open first. Time to discover. I can't read it backwards. Time to discover healthier snacks you'll absolutely love. Say hello to smarter snacking. And that's what it looks like inside. Oh, what is that? So the first thing is a shopping tote. Snack mode always. It is a canvas bag with canvas handles. There's no pockets inside. But I know everybody likes to see the inside. There you go. It's just pointed at the bottom, so it doesn't open up at the bottom. But it's a great little bag that you can just run into the store and grab something really quick. So I like that. Let's see. Is there a card in here? I don't see a card, so we're just going to have to go with it. So the first thing is Pop Biddies Air Popped Ancient Grain Chips, maple and sea salt. ZZ's Strawberry Grahams, whole grain. Ooh, that sounds kind of good. A Wow Snickerdoodle wheat and gluten-free cookie. Mellow, gluten-free, fair trade, relaxing milk chocolate. Oh, wind down, mellow out. Oh, that's interesting. And then we have Undercover Milk Chocolate. Oh, it looks like a quinoa crisp. That's unusual. Cooper Street Lemon Blueberry Twice Baked Cookies. Oh, yes. That sounds really good. White Chip Raspberry Swirl Granola. That'll be really good on yogurt. We have Marish Marish pan-crafted chocolates, milk chocolate, maple, bourbon, pecans. Ooh, that sounds really good. And I do see a fall kind of with the snickerdoodle and the chocolate. Spudsy sweet potato puffs, spicy vegan buffalo ranch. Then we have organic chickpea snacks, hippies, straight up sea salt. Oh, we did get a lot of stuff. And then we have Think Jerky, 100% natural turkey stick. One more tiny little thing. A dark chocolate and sea salt chocolate quinoa crisp. And the last thing, Pizoots Premium Virginia Artisan Peanuts, New York Dill Pickle. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And the bag. So that is what I got in my very first snack pack. If you are interested in getting it for yourself, I will leave a link for you down below. I do thank you for coming by. I appreciate your support, and I do hope you have a great day.